Hello, my name is Sharon and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to make these lovely French toast rolls. I'm showing you a savoury version. Another video I'll do a sweet version. But today we're going to do some with cheese and ham and spinach. So enjoy the video. Do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. It helps the channel grow so more people can see it. And maybe hit the notification bell so you get a gentle reminder of when new videos come out. So enjoy. To make our French toast rolls, we need to take the crusts off. This is such fresh bread. You want to get a rolling pin and flatten your bread. We're doing savoury ones, so I'm doing some ham. And then I've just sliced up some cheese. So we're going to put some cheese slices along here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to roll your bread with your filling inside. Just take this bit out. And so you're going to do several of these. And maybe don't put the cheese right to the end. Put them in the middle. Because as you're rolling, they tend to get pushed out the edge. And on this one, I'm going to put a bit of spinach. So as you can see, I'm starting to roll up from the end. And get it as tight as you possibly can. See how that one moves? I'm just going to take that one out. I'm going to do one with just cheese and a bit of spinach. And just roll. Right, so I'm just going to crack an egg. So I'll just mix up an egg, put a tiny bit of milk in, and then just mix it up. Okay, we're going to dip our French toast roll into our egg mixture. And that will actually help this stick when it gets wet. You can kind of even just dab your fork slightly to kind of push this together. And you're going to place it onto a plate. The other way you can do this is you can just get your egg mixture and put it there. And that will help bind it together. Just squash that with your fingers or a fork. And then get the rest of the mixture onto your roll with a pastry brush. Or you can just dip it in like I did a minute ago. Whichever way you prefer to do it. Sometimes it's easy just to get your hands in there and get messy. So this soaks into the bread, so I'm just going to give it another little egg wash before I fry it. Now you can put breadcrumbs on these if you like. So into the frying pan I've got some oil and I'm going to put some butter as well. And I'm going to take my rolls, my French toast rolls, and put them in the pan. So you've got your bit from underneath going down first. Alright, so we're going to turn these around every minute maybe. And just keep turning them a little bit every minute. Look how lovely and golden they're looking. So I'm going to just dish these on the plate now. Look how wonderful they look. So I'm just cutting some spinach up. We'll just sprinkle this over the board. I'm going to place these on the top. Look how lovely that is. The beautiful cheese inside. So I'm going to show you one inside so you can see what that looks like. So I'm going to cut this in half, and then you can see what it's like inside with this beautiful ham and lovely cheese.